Okay. So, are you there? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. One brave student answered. Thank you. Okay. Could you hear me properly during the lecture? At least on the record, I could hear myself, but I don't know whether you can do it. So this is another branch of problems. Switch off camera and continue troubleshooting. So we will fix this exercise group and I will give you the third homework very soon, today or tomorrow. I am always optimistic, so I underestimate how much time I need to do something. Next time, the midterm exam will be during the lecture time and practice time. You will have 2.5 hours. Perhaps that's enough to fix everything. You can use everything, just I don't like if you communicate. So I will ask you to put somewhere your cell phone. So please bring another calculator or we can fix somehow this.
Sorry, can I have a quick question?
Yes.
Regarding this?
Yes. Of course, please take your question.
So we are going to write the midterm exam on December 1st.
Yes.
And that will cover the groups from homework 1 to 3, right?
Yes.
Yes. So if then we will have homework 4 and 5 after it, and then you will correct the midterm exams on the same day, December the 1st.
No, I won't, but I will do it until 8th of December. Why do you ask this?
Because the last question is, I must finalize the grading of your midterm exam before December 1st.
Why? I don't understand. What's the problem and so what was the problem?
Hát az a kérdés, tanár úr, hogy itt a második sorban azt tetszik mondani, hogy elsőjén írjuk az EH-t, és utána az utolsó sor meg azt, hogy a jegyet azt elsőjén lezárja.
Oh,
Tehát
sorry.
ugyanazon a napon.
Okay, thank you very much. That's a typo. It's 8. It's not 8, not 1. It's 8. Thank you for pointing this out. Practice. Thank you. Okay. So just a moment. Well, you know, I did it last night. I'm a bit sick, so it's not everything is correct that I put it here. Okay. So you read it and I compiled the LaTeX. Are you familiar in LaTeX? I think no. Doesn't matter. Okay, now it's fine. So, schedule. We are here, and this is Black Friday week, so that's yeah, of course. Yes. Next week you will write the text. The text material is based on homework 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Nothing else. You have no exercise. This is the exercise, and your homework you will get points. I don't promise to correct your homework very quickly, but I will do. But that's the exercise, so that's that you gain. Then you can retake this midterm exam on 8th of December. I hope this is theoretical, and I will really want to correct this, to give you grade on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. So you will have time to decide whether you need to retake this midterm exam or not. You can retake the exam. You must retake the exam if you don't have the signature, and you must retake the exam if you don't have the minimum, the passing level. But you also can come and retake the exam if you want a better grade because you are not contented. I want you to give as good grade as possible. You know, I'm not originally a professor at the university, I'm a researcher, and I have courses like this. This is the solar system, physics of solar system, for example. This is a course for PhD and MSc students in Hungarian, unfortunately. The problem is the following. There are many problems. One, I will be busy and I cannot move this course related to my third job because I have 4 right now and I'm very happy. That's why I'm very, very sick. So someone will come, Szilárd Jóka will come and listen to you. When we will be here, we have this time, but if you don't finish and you can corrupt me somehow, I can stay until 5, so you can write your midterm text. What I want you, I need you, the abilities, the ability to solve problems in real life and also with this. Yes.
And are you going to correct the homework before the midterm exam, so at least we know if I had an issue or a mistake in it, so that I know that I need to revise that problem?
You have the point. Okay, I tell you what I will do. Because I do not need to go up and down from Pécs to Budapest, I travel, I will fix the midterm exam by hand and I will upload the solutions. And then immediately I will start to grade, to correct them. And I will inform you in Module and in Neptune about the results. So I do my best, okay? The problem is that if you check this, I'm quite overloaded with stuff. This is not really my plan how to do my life, but now I have 4 jobs. Fortunately, the other stuff will finish very soon. So, yes, briefly. What is it? Not important. Okay, this is working. Where we are? Okay, the problem. This term, this period was very, very short. We had 7 lectures and practice together. That's not so much. Actually, and I also learned that I have to give you grade until end of the lecture period, so before the exam starts. So we lost 2 occasions for lectures. Doesn't matter actually, we can do it, and I hope you can follow, and I hope the records and the slides helped you. But we will not have time to fix the exercise group 4. These are related to Hall effect and other stuff. So the non-obligatory, the extra homework 4 and 5 will be given to you after the first midterm exam, because I don't have time to do it. And the material will be that one. I highly suggest you to check those exercises, because I don't know whether you will need or not in the future. Okay. Yes. So now I close this, because this is about done, and we started exercise group 4. Perhaps it's not exercise group, but I call them this one. We fixed this first and second, so we will go through all of them right now. What I will do, that's always challenging, I have this wonderful open board. Sometimes it collapses, so sorry in advance. I import this stuff. Actually, I'm wondering why I Hungarian said the English course, but perhaps I have asked this before. No, I'm a bit dizzy. No. Here. Okay. So we are here. Open board. Blah blah blah. Certain bacterium doubles its population in 20 days. 2 such bacteria are placed in a spaceship and sent on a 1,000-day space journey. During the trip, the spaceship moves at all constant speed at 0.995 C. How many bacteria will be on board at the moment of return? Yes, so let's start the quest. Where we are. The first, Aladar. Okay, so we are. First task, always read the full list of exercises. Then the second, read the exercise. A certain bacterium doubles its population in 20 days. 2 such bacteria are placed in a spaceship and sent on a 1,000-day space journey. During the trip, the spaceship moves at a constant speed of this one. How many bacteria will be on board at the moment of return? Great. To understand better what we have to draw something. So, we have a spaceship, which is not important. Which is important is the speed. And we know the time dilatation close to the speed of light will change the time. So the question is, how much is this time changes? So we are looking for actually this one, and from this we got the number of bacteria. Okay, so let's return to the. You always have to draw. In the homework you didn't draw anything. Most of you didn't do it. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's better if you do something. What we have? We need the time dilatation stuff. That's something. I wrote this by heart, but I'm not perfectly sure whether is it good or not. So I go here and check lecture here. Here is the time dilatation formula that I used. So that's good. It means 1000. Actually, you should transfer this to seconds, but I think it's not necessary here. And then I hope you can follow what I doing right now. You always have to use the units. You can simplify with this C on square. And now I need a calculator. Where we are, mate. So that's great. So this is haha. Hmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Something is not good. Something is not good because the result is not good. I think the formula, something was changed. Okay, it seems I'm very dizzy because something is very wrong, so this should be shortened and not longer. Can you help me where I made a mistake? So this is not good. So this one days, 1000 days. So the time will go slower. That's the case. The time goes slower here. This is not that time, and this should be okay. So the only explanation is that I changed the qualities, but it's not good. Something here is not good. I try with other calculator. That's a bit awkward. Yet again. Here. So okay, so something is perfectly bad here. So these 1000 days because of the time dilatation, that's something like this. Should be 100 days. I don't know what's wrong, I cannot understand right now. And this bacteria doubles its population in any double days, so it means n is n So it means 256 bacteria will be in the spaceship. But still, I do not understand why this is not good. Perhaps this T and T square is placed It's okay, actually. This formula here is so this is it, and from this okay, I don't know. So it's something is very bad. So this should be the good stuff, but something is bad here. I will check out what's this later. Oh, okay, next. Holodye drives a nail into point in the coordinate system K. At that moment, the clock in K shows the same time in K. Balázs drives another nail into point. Okay, let's jump to this relativistic dynamics. I'm not in the mood to deal with this. A particle moves with velocity such blah blah blah, determine the value of m and m null. Determine the relative mass and velocity of an electron whose kinetic energy is this one, blah blah blah. The rest of mass is electron is this one. Calculate the rest of an electron corresponding to the rest mass, blah blah blah. In joules and electronvolts. Nice. Okay. So I need the original task. I mean exercise. Okay, so A velocity and it has a mass. The question is not the mass, but this one. According to this slide, we have to use this formula. So and V Okay, so this is something 0.9, 70.9. That's it. So the mass increases 7 times. Determine the relative mass and velocity of an electron whose kinetic energy is this. Joule is more appropriate. Great. So B. I mean B. That's more difficult. So we have kinetic energy. We have rest mass and we need the mass and the velocity, and this is just a particle, actually an electron. So the formula is, this is the kinetic energy, and it comes from the modified energy minus the rest energy. Here we know this. We know this. Of course, we know the C. Sorry. So we know We know this, yes. We know this, and that's enough. Sorry, that's ugly. Okay, we have this formula and we need the V from this. So, that's worse and worse. No, I will not do this. Okay, so we have this formula. So what we have is okay. So I have this formula right now. Not simple. So this is 3 times Ay. Something is wrong because I got double light speed. Okay, so situation is the following. I don't know whether you are still here. You are free to go right now, but I will not go and finish these tasks because otherwise I cannot give you homework and I cannot give you uh, something in the midterm task. Everything is recorded, actually twice, and you will find the board and everything on module 2. So you can leave if you want, but I continue this calculation. Sorry, I'm sick and I would need more time to do these exercises. So this 45 minutes per week is not enough for anything. So thank you, but I will stay.
Sorry, can I ask you one question
Yes, you
about
can.
midterm exam?
Yeah.
At previous lesson, you said that we are allowed to use our notebooks. Is it right? That is like
Well, actually,
news.
I want. Well, I have a problem. I don't want you to communicate to each other, but I would allow you to use your notebooks, your notes, your cell phone, internet, and anything.
It means that we are allowed, and but without any communication with other students, right?
Yeah, but I cannot check this. So perhaps the best
Okay.
best way if I'm there and look in your eyes and you promise me you will not communicate to each other. I
Okay.
don't know, so I don't want to. I cannot determine and I have no influence for the peer-to-peer connection or anything. So actually, the best way if you use you put somewhere your I don't know your cell phone, for example, and notebook further, and when you use it, then you write the timestamp in your test or something like this. Basically, at me, you can use anything
Okay.
because that's the real life. I also use something else when I do the exercises. That's why I
And it's
suggest you
only
to pass first time because I don't know Szilard what will allow you. Okay?
okay. It means that is only for the midterm test and the exam tests. It's not the
For the
same
normal
conditions.
test, I will ask knowledge, but I checked what they had done previously, and there are tests you can select, and there are essays, and there are other things, so you will be able to do it and get a good grade without using anything. But for calculations, I think you need anything because it's easy to forget or misinterpret the formula or something like this. Okay? Is it okay? Is it a suitable answer for your question?
Yes, I
Okay.
got it. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
You're welcome. Welcome. So see you next week. I stay and fix this stuff actually because something is wrong and there are many wrong things I think here. Okay. So
Goodbye. Thank you.
goodbye. Have a nice
Get
day.
better.
Thanks. Thank you. this is, the life is difficult. Now perhaps it will work. Okay, that's a bit awkward. Okay, that's better. It's better. Okay, so this is the result, and I don't know what I did wrong here. Okay, so the problem was that I did not use the C value. That's why I got a wrong result here. Then hmm. Mhm. Uh-huh. No. Still something wrong because here I did not do this. this is the good result. No, you cannot see my other screen, but don't worry, I can see it. So this is it, and this is the good result. And with the other, yeah, that's the same formula. So that was the good result. Okay, go back and check what we have. The B, calculate the rest energy of an electron. Yes, the rest mass and velocity of the electron. So this is not ready. From this formula, I have the velocity and I need the relativistic mass. And the relativistic mass can be calculated quite easily. I have this wonderful number. And go to the next screen. So this was good. I did the same with handwritings, but here the relativistic mass comes from this formula. That's it. 9.9 times per that's it. The units are fine, so that's okay. Kilogram, no dimension. Here. Just a moment. The mass. I don't need this. Okay. So that's the relativistic mass. Okay, and now the last comes. Calculate the rest energy of an electron corresponding its rest mass in joules and electronvolts. This is easy, very easy. So the rest energy came from Einstein's formula. It means well, that's it. This is the energy. Okay, so this is good, but I haven't finished this wonderful task. First of all, here we had a problem. Okay, so here the time dilatation did not work. So when I am on the spacecraft, and then I have to experience some slower time from the coordinate system of the resting than others. So it means this number, this one, should be small. This is the formula of time dilatation. Great. That's it. That's it. this is in the coordinate system. The T in the moving reference coordinate system, the R reference system. But I need the time in the moving reference system. So that will be this one. So I have this one. I have this one. Wait, I need the calculator. And in this calculator, let me see what's this. So this, no, okay, see, this is great. So this will be here. Okay, so here, and then everything is all right. So just I mix the coordinate system. Actually, that's easy. Okay, so the very last task of us is this holodie drives a nail into point blah 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 in the coordinate system key. Then that moment the clock shows that one. At the same time, in key, Balázs drives another nail into point there. The two events occur simultaneously in K. Calculate the time interval between the two events in reference frame key moving at uniform speed of so many. Great. I am very delightful for this task. It means I will not say what it means. So next page, I start with drawing because of this. I have something like this. I really like it. This is Z, this is X, this is Y. You know, this is the top of the arts. This is X, this is Y, this is Z, and then I have a point aladar, now this is the coordinate system K. doesn't matter. Okay. This is 4,000 meter. Yes, it's everything is in meter. How wonderful it is. The next one is minus, I really like it, 100 meter. That's a Y actually, yes. And in Z, 200 meters. Yes, that's really necessary. So this is it. Okay. So it is somewhere here. Great. It is here. I'm happy. And this is time 1. I just changed everything to SC system. The same coordinate system. Yes. Balázs at 3,000 meter. And it is 500 meter, and this is That's funny. I am alone. No problem. So I have this point somewhere here. Doesn't matter actually. I nail it. Okay, so the delta t is must be calculated. Ay, 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 ay. Delta t must be calculated somehow. The reference system where the V is this. Interesting. That's parallel to x axis. Okay. Great. Great. So this is parallel to this. Great. And now let's check what we have. Not this one, this one. So we have the We have the common sense. Okay, the solution is the following. Because they are in the same time, in the same coordinate system, any transformation will transform the time difference from 0 to 0. So the solution is nothing more that zero. And that's it. So now I thank you for you to participate in my lectures and talks and lectures and practices and everything. Now I close both records. Thank you for your work and for all semesters. Next time, not with you, with others, you will pass, I'm pretty sure. We will have more time to practice, or at least my group. So now, first I leave the Teams. First I shut it, is done. So bye bye. Bye bye. And then shut down my own